What's the meaning of churn? Churn. Churn.
Churn. Churn. The term churn generally refers to the rate at which customers or users leave a company's products or services. This metric is widely used in various industries, especially in subscription-based models. A high churn rate indicates that a large number of customers are leaving, which can be harmful to the business in terms of revenue and reputation. On the other hand, a low churn rate signifies a loyal customer base and a healthy business. Therefore, reducing churn is a crucial goal for many companies, and it requires effective strategy and proactive efforts to retain existing customers.